Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are interviewing Craig on his MK2 Golf. This is Craig. This is MK2 Golf 1600 driver.
Yeah, so 1.6 CL.
Well, it was a 1.6.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about this gem then.
Well, I bought it quite a few years ago because I've always liked the Golfs, and yeah, just slowly fixing it, and then I just turn it into a rat at the minute. So
Because you like that scene, or
it definitely turns heads, and it doesn't sound exactly stock, so an eye catcher really, isn't it? So
have you done the work yourself, or you got someone to help you? Or
I've done pretty much everything myself. Obviously I had you to help me with the engine.
yeah, I've done the engine conversion. We put 2 litre 2E bottom end with a 1600 cylinder head, and we put a Weber carburetor on it. Done some other little bits and pieces. We have got a
whole new system on it.
2 litre, no, we've got a 1900 TDI gearbox going on it, so it'd be better for gear ratios and that. It's got a 4 branch manifold on it and a GTI exhaust, but the bodywork,
Yeah,
a little bit different to a normal MK2.
It's a little bit.
Explain to us what your vision is with the vehicle and the arches and the bumpers and...
Well, I just wanted something that just stands out, and then at the same time it's not gonna crumple, if you know what I mean, because it's a 1987 Golf. So yeah, I made me bumpers myself, so they're all solid. And
because you're a fabricator.
Yeah, I'm a welder fabricator and coach builder, so we're pretty handy at most stuff. And yeah, I'm making all my grills and everything myself.
All that metal would be?
Yep, all that metal, folded, formed and all that lot. Make all the brackets.
All your arches are made out of metal?
Yep, I made them, made a pattern, cut them all to it, still not finished, but...
Where did the headlights come from?
The headlights, they were off of eBay. They go into the Jeep Wrangler.
Yep.
And you can have the indicators go through them as well.
Yep.
But obviously I haven't done that, because I wanted to keep the indicators. And not only that, it doesn't have to mess around with the wiring then, so... Yeah. Nice and simple. But yeah, they were proper bright as well. Being a low car, you get blinded by everything anyway.
Yeah,
so.
yeah, that's true. I do agree with you on that one. Wheels. What type of wheels have we got on this?
They are the standard wheels, banded by 2 inches. So I think the PCD offset's like -7 now, I think.
13s, right?
13s, yeah. But soon to get 15s, so I can do a brake upgrade.
Bigger discs and disc conversion on the rear?
Disc conversion on the rear, yeah.
2 5.6s, 280mm on the front.
Probably something like that, yeah.
Stock GTIs on the rear.
Hopefully get some nice expensive pads on the front so it stops pretty much dead on.
Yeah. Were you doing paint?
After it's all how I want it, because the bumpers have still got to be altered. The front grille is being made at the minute. I've covered all the door cards with the Hessian.
So you started doing the rear first?
I started at the rear first to see how it looked all over. Well, excuse the rubbish, I live in the car at work, so all going to go that kind of colour, and I'm going to get...
And you've done the parcel shelf and little corner bits all in the same thing?
Yep, look, I'll show you on the back here. But that was all made. I had to make a parcel shelf because my little boy sat on the old one. And then rubber bits just stop it from making so much noise when you're going down the road. But yeah, I covered all of them. Made my own brackets up so they don't fall out and it stays in the same place. Being an old car, little bits are broken, so...
Yeah, and the usual thing with a MK2 headline in it, is a bit, because it's a driver, it'd be a light coloured lining.
Yeah, but this one's a darker one because of the interior. If you see,
It was darker, was it?
Yeah, so it's all been sticker bombed.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. So normally when things like that, normally in a state, you get the old stickers out and sticker bomb it.
Well,
so,
I've done quite a few dump runs in this and got a few holes in the roof.
Right. So you sticker bombed it?
I sticker bombed it. I think my boy will love it, so.
Yeah.
But yeah. And I've done the centre console at the front, and eventually I'm going to cover the dash, but in a different set of stickers.
And your ideas of seats, you're gonna do something with the front seats?
Yep, they're going to get replaced. I was thinking about getting reclinable bucket seats.
Right.
So yeah, once I've had the recliner bucket seats fitted, it'll be like still comfy, have a bit of fun in it because it handles like a go-kart.
What are your venture plans on it now?
Well, to be fair, I'm going to ask Fred if he can help us put a nice sound system in it. Right. I still haven't got a stereo. Yeah. Because that bit in the middle there is a Bluetooth speaker.
There you go. Modern technology.
Yeah, but it works. And, but yeah, it is eventually all going to get painted, different wheels, and I'd like to buy another one and do like a four-wheel drive setup on it.
Right, okay.
Eventually, but...
Anything with a roof rack?
Yeah, I'm probably going to keep the roof rack on there because obviously...
No, you're not going to modify, change it in different ways to make it...
Yeah, I'm going to lower the roof rack down.
Right.
So there's a less of a gap. And then at the front of the roof rack, I am going to add like a little slope for the aerodynamics, so you don't get like the whistling noises and stuff. Yeah. Because when you're going down the road, it sounds like the window's open. Right. Yeah, other than that, it's just get it all painted up and look after it then.
He's getting there. It's got a electric fuel pump because this engine don't have a manual lift pump on it, so we've used electric fuel pump. It's got Weber carburetor on it with an induction kit, 4-branch manifold like I said earlier. Yeah, it does go quite well for a
16 valve head, 1.6 head.
1.6 head, yeah, but it's like a Frankenstein engine, so yeah, it's good. It's got plenty of torque now.
Yeah, it does and all. It's just got a good torque steer coming off a roundabout.
And you're part of a group as well called the
Rat Faster crew.
Right.
It's just all the rat rods and stuff. They do like zombie apocalypse cars and stuff like that, and yeah, it's just everyone's own little twist on a car.
Do their own thing and how they want it. And
some people use stuff from like DIY shops.
Yeah, from
and make like all their own stuff as well.
B&Q and Wixes and
but if you have a look on it, it's all on Facebook. Rat Bastard Crew got all different cars this kind of style.
They do meets.
They do meets, yep.
And October, aren't they doing a camping?
Yeah, that's the summer bash.
Yeah, but we'll put all the details at the bottom and let you know what's going on.
And some of the stickers on the cars as well. That's all from the RBC club as well. Yeah, the clip's broke and I've been too lazy to get a new one. So I've got cable tie on it, literally locate it in there, sorted, and then the bonnet holds it in place.
So I've got some questions then. So obviously there is a massive VW logo painted in what looks like red oxide.
Yep.
I got it right. See, I'm learning. I am learning. And obviously if you take the time out to perhaps pause the video, you can have a read of all these lovely, lovely stickers. How many stickers would you say are on the vehicle in total?
What, including the roof lining?
Like each single sticker.
That's close to about 2,000.
2,000 stickers. 2,000 stickers. It's madness.
But that's including the centre console that I fitted myself.
Yeah.
And doing the centre console.
That's a lot of sticker books.
That's a lot of sticker books. You've done the centre console yourself?
Yeah. I made a bracket to go over the handbrake.
Oh, yes.
And that opens up. That's got everything in it, like fuses and stuff if I need it.
He made his own gear knob as well, look.
What's been your most favourite part of this project so far?
Probably the engine.
Yeah? Been your most favourite?
Because I learned a lot doing it as well.
Oh, mate. Rule 1 of being a presenter, make sure your phone is on silent. I like the fitment of the wheels and tyres. What size tyres are they?
I think they're 215s, I think. No, 205, 60, 13s. I did have stretched ones before, but it just slid when you went round the corner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
These look nice.
Well, originally, the wheels sat like 2 inches in from the outside.
Right.
So overall, the whole wheel centres are, width of them is 4 inches wider.
Wow.
So.
Incredible. Well, one of the main things that strikes me is that obviously you like to do things and customize and make stuff yourself. As Matt's already said, you're a welder, fabricator as well, didn't you say?
Yeah.
So that's one thing I can appreciate, is that you take things into your own hands instead of going out and just trying to find stuff brand new, which is, I think, just, everybody knows me. I like things, anybody that does something different, I'm a big fan. I rate it, rather than just picking stuff off a shelf or ordering online. Anybody could do that, but if you can actually make something how you want it, like the bumpers for an example.
Well, eventually I'm going to redo my door cards. Because
Right.
I want to mount the speakers in the front and rear door cards and have a under-seat sub kind of thing underneath the dash. So I've still got my boot space.
Very
Wire
cool.
2 under-seat subs up, and away you go, that's all you need.
Tell us about the front grille, the cable ties. Tell us about the history of this.
Well, I got a badgeless grille because I like the look of them. And then obviously over the years of having it, so I've had the car in 6 years, and yeah, it's just started rattling. So every little bump, it makes a little horrible rattling noise. Being an old car, you hear it all.
Yeah.
So I just attacked it with cable ties.
Attacked with cable ties.
But at the moment I'm making a new one. I've already made the centre bit out of perforated steel,
Okay.
all folded up and that. So I'm going to make the rest of it, curve it to the car, make the brackets.
Amazing.
Probably going to go like a satin black. Same
Okay.
with the lower grille, after the bumpers had the bar in between.
What we'll do as well is we'll put Craig's Instagram in the description below. So anything that you do, any new mods or whatever, the progress along the way, people can follow. Do you post much online about the Mark II?
Not loads, but a couple of pictures of it every now and then, like a day like this.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's Craig's Mark II Golf. Thank you for coming down, by the way, and showing us this.
No
Progress
problem.
is definitely coming along. I can definitely appreciate someone doing something different, and let us know what you think in the comments below. We appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll see you in the next video.